On today's body cam, we're checking out when officers realize she's wanted for trashing a McDonald's.
On May 10, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for failing to stop at several traffic signals flashing red.
Keep the windows
God
down
damn.
for me, please. Howdy, y'all. My name's Detective Roland, Tallahassee Police Department. The reason I pulled you over today is you have to stop when a light is out. At every light. I watched you blow through like 4 or 5 before I got behind you, okay? I'm not writing you a ticket today, but I can please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance. Do you have the driver's license number? Okay. What is your last name? Do you have any kind of photo ID on you? Okay. Is that your mom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We're going to have to wait just 1 minute before I can talk to mom, okay? Give me 1 minute, okay? 7:43 me on 2.
Why does everyone seem to magically think that their mom or dad is going to be able to get them out of the traffic stop? The cop could care less about talking to your mom, okay?
You're welcome to get out. Just do me a favor, just stand behind our vehicle if you want to, okay?
Do you have David pulled up? Yes, sir. Can you pull it up so I can get her DL?
Do you have a first name?
Yeah, Tatyona.
Tatiana.
Yeah. There we go. 2 M's, I guess. 99 times 3.
My boy got a ride along.
Do me a favor, I need you to step out of the car and talk to me back here because you don't have your license, okay? Just take a second.
What we need to talk about, sir?
All right, look, here's the deal. I want to do this in front of the kids. You've got warrants out for your arrest. You want to go into jail today.
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. I'm just gonna get a cop. All right, cool. That's cool now.
We'll give you a chance, Tatiana. Come on.
All right. For real, don't touch me,
Hey,
bro.
no, you're good. At some point, we're going to have to because you're going to have to get handcuffed. But you got to come on out, okay?
Okay, they said she got a 1-4 arrest, and
Tatiana, step out of the car.
what she want to know what's the warrant for.
That's fine. We'll tell
I'll
her as
explain
soon
to
as
that in just a moment, but you got to get out of the car.
But you're not finna put me in no cup.
Tatiana.
But you do have to get out. I don't want to pull you out. I don't want to do any of that. But I need you to exit.
Okay, well, you
No, I don't want to do that.
You went to her mama.
Well, let my daddy don't come up.
Oh, okay.
I have no problem explaining to that, but I do need y'all to step. I need you to step out.
And you know the sad part of this is that the kids is growing up to think this is okay too. Like, listen to how the kids respond. You know, I remember when I was a child and they was dealing with grown folks' business, man. My mama used to tell me to stay in a child's place. You know what I'm saying? She used to get me together. You know what I mean? This is grown folks. Where this parent is like including the children in it, hey, call this, do this, da da da. Like, listen, and now the kid is asking questions. Hey, well, can you just wait until listen, child. It don't work like that, man. It don't work like that. Just stay in a child's place. That's it.
Tatiana, you need to step out or you're going to catch another charge, okay?
But she's got to come out of the car first. I don't want to have this discussion. Yep, I do. I can absolutely do that, but you're going to be detained first.
She's got warrants.
Yep. Come on in.
Bro, don't touch, bro. Come on, chill out, bro.
You need to come out.
All right, I'm coming.
Just guys, give it a second. We're fighting. Hey, come on. Come out.
I'm not doing nothing, bro. Come on.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Whoa, who leg is that?
Hands up.
I gave you the opportunity. You didn't want to come out.
Y'all got me so right now. On my grandma, y'all got me so
right now because
I told you I did not want to do that in front of the kids.
got your bitch ass.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and roll towards me.
All three of y'all big ass
10, 15.
motherfuckers. Y'all some big ass motherfuckers. What y'all pulling me out the car like that for?
All right, go ahead and stand
Nigga,
up.
y'all big as it only took one.
Well, it shouldn't have took none because you should have just came out of the car peacefully.
Let me put my
Just
damn
that
shoes.
one
Let me
thing
put my shoes on. Damn it.
Come back to the back of this car. Come on now. I didn't want to do that in front of all the kids.
Okay, with your big ass. It only took one. Well, why took three?
We gave the opportunity to step out and you didn't want to come out.
And you ain't want to talk either. You gonna tell me why you trying to detain me?
I told you, you have warrants out for your arrest.
I shouldn't.
Now that you're in cuffs, I can tell you have warrants out for possession of marijuana, disorderly conduct.
I don't. All that was dissolved. All that was good. And I ain't smoking mud. What you talking about? You lying. You lying.
Okay. Anything else on you need to know about? Poke me, stick me, hurt me? You want to switch sides? Yeah. Anything else on you?
You stop talking to me.
Go ahead and put it in the car.
What you talking about? Stop talking to me.
All units stand by for general announcement. All units be advised southeast and southwest will be faster than the remainder.
Fantastic job, boys.
Southeast and southwest will be faster than the remainder.
Can you stay with these two bills real quick? Yeah. Those came out of her pocket. Right on.
Oh, she got pills? She popping pills?
Yeah. Howdy, y'all. Okay, now I will be willing to talk to you. It's okay.
You nah, cause I don't really know. I don't want to talk, fam. You just look like you was gonna shoot me. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah, because
I don't
we're
want to hear
in
that.
this
I
side
don't
up
want to hear
here.
that, bro. That's my sister, bro. That's
Okay.
female. I don't care, bro.
Well, I gave her the opportunity to step out.
Everybody raised different, bro. Everybody raised different. Y'all
And I
cowards,
gave her the
bro.
opportunity.
Cowards, bro.
I gave her the opportunity to not do this.
Yeah, you must clearly be raised different. And this is the concern that I have with the next generations, man, because this is what I'm saying. Back in the day, my mom used to tell, when it was grown folks' business, she used to tell me to stay in a child's place because I was always the kind of kid that I liked hanging with older people. You know what I'm saying? I always like kind of the youngest one in my group. Like, you know, I didn't really like hanging out with people my age. I liked hanging out with older and stuff like that. So I like to, you know, pay attention, see what the grown folks was doing. Okay. You know, but hey, if I come fly out the mouth or if I get too nosy, stay in a child's place, man. That's how I go, you know. And you saying that, you know, yeah, everybody's raised differently. Well, listen, what you need to take from this experience that you just witnessed is to get out of the vehicle peacefully. When the officers tell you to step out of the vehicle, you got to step out of the vehicle. There's no ifs, ands, buts, nothing. Step out the vehicle. Especially, they told you why. They told you got warrants. So this ain't on your time. This ain't your time to call your mom. No. Step out. We don't want to have to pull you out. Either way, you coming out the car. You either going to come out peacefully or we going to take you out the car.
In front of the kids. Okay, you're free to go. Have a good one.
Your big ass. Your wife know you doing girls, females like this? Big ass motherfucker. Too big to be doing all that.
78636, repeating 786.
Then you got hit on the face. Did I really? Where? Oh, no, that was got from earlier. Oh, that was fun. Oh, yeah, I've been taking...
Come on.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's ibuprofen 800 and 200 right there. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I hate y'all motherfuckers.
No.
If you start at it, I'm gonna tie your feet. You better knock it off.
You, I hate y'all motherfuckers. You.
I'll tell you what, I don't need her anymore. Can we just get her off to LCJ?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Yeah.
We'll start cleaning this mess up. Excuse me.
Let's go.
the ride along.
I'm already transporting the 1015.
Can you copy a starting mileage?
So I see all y'all in court. I need all y'all names. My mom don't get up there. Make sure I get your name. I want your name and the mother fat ass bitches.
For 640.
I want all their names. It only took one of y'all to get me out the car. One, not three. I hope y'all cam badges, and I hope y'all cam badges was on. I hope all them cameras was on.
Oh, they on. We see you.
Oh wait, hold on. This one might be Oxy.
What's up?
This one might be Oxy because look, it's IP 204. Yeah, it's showing it.
Is it Oxy?
Yeah.
Okay, keep that in the right pocket.
And y'all couldn't even tell me what I was getting out the car for. We don't trust y'all. Y'all killers. We don't trust y'all.
Okay. All right, sounds good. I'll do that once I get it.
Supposed to protect and serve. Y'all don't protect shit but your ass and each other.
Well, CYA is a thing. Cover your ass. You know what I mean? We're not gonna pretend like that's not a thing, but you should have just complied.
No.
Hey, ma'am.
Hi.
Look, I'm sorry that all had to happen, but
Okay.
I told her I did not want to do that in front of the kids.
Yeah.
She had warrants out for arrest. She has to go to jail.
Okay.
That's the bottom line, okay?
Okay.
I gave her plenty of opportunity to step out. She didn't want to. It's dangerous for anybody to be arguing while she's in control of that car.
Cause you got a gun on you. You got a taser. A baton. Now all that make you tough, huh? That make you so tough. You could take all that off. You feel like you got down, you got to save them up. Cause you got all that shit on? Take it off. Go in the hood and take it off. Dirty cops. Dirty cops. Dirty, dirty.
I don't think anybody would want to be going in the hood.
Dirty. Now one of y'all better not say shit to me when I get in that bitch either. Now one of y'all. Bet I won't.
Subscribe, let the 808 slide. Crazy as footage on a midnight ride. Bounce to the rhythm. Let the bass line.